Hi, welcome back to my channel today. I made a unique okra recipe specially for my USA audience. I hope you all will love this recipe. I've been working for months to share my cooking skills with the world, so you can learn and enjoy easy, homemade recipes. My content is for everyone around the world, and your support really means it a lot to me. So please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay connected for more amazing recipes. Today's recipe is crispy okra slices made with simple spices and oil, superlicious, and egg. My USA audience will love trying this at home. Now let's get started.
1.5 kilograms fresh okra washed and cut into small pieces.
3 chopped onions.
Add onions to pan.
Add 4 chopped tomatoes.
Time to add okra.
Add pickle powder. Add 1 packet chicken powder. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. It's time to mix well. Add chopped green chilies. Okra ready, dish out now. While I'm dishing this out, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Watch my other videos too, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss me new uploads. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Watch more videos and turn on notifications. I've dished it out and it looks absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this easy okra recipe. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really supports me and helps me create more recipes for you. Also, watch my other videos for more simple and tasty ideas, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.